10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition and liftoff Falcon 9. Go SpaceX, go Transporter 16.
Vehicle is pitching downrange. Stage 1 propulsion is nominal.
At T plus 30 seconds into flight, Falcon 9 has successfully lifted off from Space Launch Complex 4 East at Vandenberg Space Force Base. We're currently throttling down to prepare for max Q, which is the point of maximum aerodynamic stresses on the
Power and
vehicle.
telemetry nominal.
Max Q is reached when the air density of the atmosphere decreases faster than the increasing speed of the rocket.
Falcon 9 is supersonic.
So now we're just waiting to hear that call out for max Q.
Max Q.
And there was our call out. So Merlin engines are back at full power and we're out of the throttle bucket. From here on, even though velocity is rapidly increasing, the atmospheric density is decreasing, resulting in less loads on Falcon 9. And coming up next, we'll have several events happening in quick succession, starting with MECO, followed by stage separation, and second engine.
Stage separation confirmed. MVAC ignition.
And there you heard and saw those three events that happened back to back, including main engine cutoff, stage separation, and second engine start 1. Coming up next will be fairing separation.
MVAC shut down.
Stage 1 landing leg deploy.
Nominal orbit insertion.
Stage 1 landing confirmed.
Stage 2 FTS safe.
And as you saw and probably heard, we had a successful first stage landing and successful cutoff of our second stage engine and the call out for good